guys, Leslie here with an unboxing of Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas. It's a Chibi in motion, and it says that there's 6 options of what I got, so it's a mystery box. I picked this up at Target today, so I thought I would unbox it with you guys. So let's see which one I got. I got 0. Look how cute. Oh, I didn't know he'd be so like reflective and shiny. I love that so much. So this is gonna go on my work backpack, I think. Oh, he's kind of delicate. Okay, he might not. Oh, his little body wiggles. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love it so much. All right, so I would highly recommend these. It says ultra rare and they glow in the dark as Oogie Boogie. So I guess Oogie Boogie is the hardest one to get. That's what this little paper says. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.